Sax Riffs. I'm here for seekers of truth to questions like, how's that bit go? And today we are unearthing the answers to the invigorating I Can't Turn You Loose, recorded live in 1978 by American blues and soul revivalists, your friends and mine, the Blues Brothers. With a bass line as recognisable as the Blues Brothers' uniform of black suits and dark glasses, the band hurtles towards us for 8 bars. Then Steve Jordan on drums plays the most intense drum roll, and we're in on the second half of that bar with C sharp, B, A, C sharp, E, F sharp, A, B, C sharp, B, A, A. Next we repeat E, F sharp, A, B. Then jump up a third to join Mr. Fabulous's trumpet line with E, D, C sharp, E. Back to old familiar E, F sharp, A, B. Then staying a third up with the trumpet, E, D, C sharp, B, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. It's really important to stay in time with the rhythm section and keep your phrasing controlled and even. The challenge on this song is to keep your cool and concentrate whilst listening to such an exciting rhythm section. Let's take it from the top. Now Dan Aykroyd takes the mic to introduce the evening with one of his vibrant speeches. And when we hear him say, the Blues Brothers, that's our cue to play our next riff. Steve Jordan then plays 2 counts of roller coaster drum roll, and the brass section are back in unison with C sharp times 4, C sharp, C, C sharp, D, C sharp. Repeat. Then we jump up a third to join Mr. Fabulous on trumpet. Our notes on alto are E times 4. E, D sharp, E, F sharp, E. Repeat. Then we're straight back in with the very first section that we've already learned. Now we have a triple last line ending. To start our last climb-up phrase, we play C sharp, D, D sharp, E. C sharp, D, D sharp, E. C sharp, D, D sharp, E, A. Blues Brothers.
Music Go today is the blues will exist only in the classical records department of your local public library. So tonight, ladies and gentlemen, while we still can, let us welcome from Rock Island, Illinois, a blues band of Julian Jacob and Elwood Blues, the Blues Brothers.
Now, I have taken you up to Mr. Fabulous's trumpet line on each of these sections. However, if you wanted to be really authentic, you could stay on the first line of each section with Blue Lou Marini and be the underlining root phrase, which is a really important part of the chord. You've learned both parts now, so the choice is yours. This number is quite pacey, so you may need to practice with a metronome at first to get your speed up. Once you're up to speed and playing along with the record, remember, if you do go wrong, keep your cool and wait for a phrase to come around that you can jump back on board with. This is such an exciting number. I hope you have as much fun as I had learning it. Remember, keep playing, stay safe, and subscribe here.